In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit testimonials in WP Travel Engine. Whether you're looking to update existing testimonials, add new ones, or even remove those that are no longer relevant, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Now let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin area, open your preferred web browser, and head over to your website's login page by typing in your website address, followed by .wp admin. Enter your username and password to gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you're well on your way to managing your testimonials. From your dashboard, look over at the left-hand side menu and locate the Testimonials section. Click on that to expand your options, and then select All Testimonials. This action will bring up a list of all the testimonials that are currently on your site, providing a clear overview of what you have to work with. Suppose you want to make changes to an existing testimonial. In that case, all you need to do is hover over the testimonial you wish to edit, and you'll see the Edit option appear. Click on Edit, and you'll be directed to the Testimonial Editing interface. Here you have the ability to modify any details, whether it's the name, message, or even the image associated with it. Maybe the client's name was misspelled or they've updated their feedback. This is where those corrections can be made easily. After you've made your desired changes, ensuring everything is perfect and reflective of what you want, don't forget to click the Update button. This step is critical because it saves all the changes you just made, ensuring that your testimonial is up to date and accurate on your site. Now, if you're looking to add a whole new testimonial, the process is equally straightforward. Again, within the Testimonials menu, you'll find an Add New Testimonial option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a fresh page where you can input all the new details. Fill in the name, the testimonial message, and any relevant images, making sure to provide a comprehensive view of the client's experience. Once again, hit Submit or Publish to make sure this new testimonial sees the light of day on your platform. Finally, let's cover how to remove a testimonial that's no longer applicable. In your list of testimonials, hover over the one you intend to remove. You'll see an option labeled Trash. Click on Trash to remove the testimonial from your live site. It's always good practice to occasionally review and clear out any testimonials that might not serve your current narrative or brand direction. And that's it. With these steps, managing your testimonials in WP Travel Engine becomes a hassle-free task. Keep your testimonials fresh and reflective of your clients' voices, and they will significantly contribute to building credibility and trust with new visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.